going on? Hey, welcome back. Hey, Autarky Designs here. Go check out my YouTube channel, AUTARKY Designs. AUTARKY Designs. Go on over, check it out. Hit that subscribe button. Watch all them videos. See the great things I'm doing with this 240SX, building it the way I think it should be built, and also the projects we have lined up. My G35, it's an 05, and we just picked up at Celica. All right, hey, teamed up with Pinnacle Auto Works as my mechanic, helped me get my subscribers up, get my views up. I appreciate it so much. Hey, love you guys. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Well, nitrogen ain't as cool as you think it is. Woke up, my tire was at 28. Went online, looked it up. They said you could add a regular air to it, top it off. Machine said 36 pounds. Info center says 41. Time to get rid of that nitrogen. Welcome back, y'all. Autarky Designs with another video once again. Now that y'all done watching me eating jelly beans, but he didn't tell me it was recording. Well, I knew he was, but I didn't think he was gonna turn it on me. But today's video, we're gonna put together and try out these Harbor Freight Pittsburgh wheel dollies. Picked them up at a sale, what was it, last weekend? They usually $49.52%. They had them on sale for $34.95, so I went and snagged me two. So no car price, bought with dollies. Y'all know how it is. So you gotta buy some merchandise. But anyway, we're gonna attempt to put them together and flip the 240 around. One problem I'm gonna encounter, these just cracks in the floor, but we'll see how it works. I watched REVMATCH TV, his video on it, and also 350ZGarage, I think it's called. I'll put the links in the videos if you don't mind. And yeah, on REVMATCH, one of his bent, so he went and got the Amazon ones, which if you watch this video, you see they're stronger. 350Z, he just moved his across the garage, so no problem. But we're gonna find it today. Enough of me talking. We're gonna go hyperlapse, put his drugs together. Alright, so usually when I buy stuff, I put it together. I throw the packaging out. I'm keeping these bad boys. Let me wrap this up. We're gonna go ahead and jack the car up, put the dollies under there, and see what happens.
I'd like to announce that this is my first time seeing the car drift.
Manually.
Very, very manually. So.
Oh, snap.
Is it working? Oh.
Bro.
Oh.
Zip ties. What? Zip ties. A dolly, a car dolly, a shopping cart, a zip tie will always mess with it.
We have very exciting news.
Part 3 of Jeremiah of not being any use.
Oh, as you guys can see, it's moving, but we're not done with the video yet. Put you guys on pause, because it's dirty. Jeremiah's getting the air hose.
This big orange cord.
It is a mess over here. So, there you have it, YouTube. Harbor Freight wheel dollies. I give them a thumbs up for garage use. And like I said, if you go to REVMATCH TV, look up his video on these. He tried to use them outside, ran into a problem. I thought I was gonna have a problem with these cracks, but I didn't.
Cardboard is a good friend, as you can see.
Oh, Jeremiah's idea. 350Z TV, he just moved his car into a corner of the garage, so they work perfectly. They work fine for me, so I will go ahead and give them. The only downside is, you know, might need somebody to help maneuver around, but pretty much see I was getting by myself. But hey, keep sharing the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, getting my views up, help build the channel. And as always, I'm gonna mention it, merch is up for purchase. Sweatshirts, it's getting warm now in El Paso. So if you're up north, then northern states, order a sweatshirt, man. You know,
They help.
get a combo, cap, t-shirt and sweatshirt. $50 shipped to your door, or get a t-shirt. All right, $15 shipped to you. It's up to you. But appreciate you guys watching, and keep a lookout for the next video. All right, thank you.